I'm starting this battle with 3 loot boxes, and now I've got 4, and this is the second leg of an adventure battle. And I'm recording this video because it's going to be pretty chaotic once I start hitting these loot boxes with the Champion Overdrive. I've also got Batmob and Flamethrower. So I'm starting to build up a bit of a wall, and I'll keep multiplying those with Champion Overdrive. I'm closing in on the kill now. Just see if I can get 2 at a time. Okay, now I'm watching the horizontal slider and I've maxed out just as I hit 2 seconds. And now I've just got to hit the multiplier for 80,000. Done.